Welcome back to our channel for another exciting tech tutorial. Slow Wi-Fi connection on laptop is very common and it can be frustrating when you are trying to browse the web or stream your favorite video, no? So in this video we will show you how to improve your wireless network performance by optimizing Wi-Fi settings on your Windows laptop. So by following these simple steps you can enjoy a faster and more reliable Wi-Fi experience. So let's get started. So very first you need to focus on updating your Wi-Fi driver to ensure you have the latest version installed. So for that you have to open the device manager by right click on the Windows icon and here you have to select device manager. Once the device manager page will open, you will find network adapter. So click here to expand this. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter from the list of the network adapter. Okay, so the name of the adapter may vary depending on the manufacturer, but it will typically include wireless, Wi-Fi or name of the manufacturer. So here I will get name Broadcom 802.11. So you have to just right click over here and from the list you have to click on update driver software. Choose the option to search automatically for update software. Windows will connect to the internet and search for the latest driver available for your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so if Windows finds an update driver, follow on the on-screen instruction to download and install it. Okay, so here the base driver software of your device is already installed, so that means my driver software is up to date. You have to close this window. Once this is done, we need to move to the next step, adjust your power settings. So for that, once again right click on the start menu and now you have to click on control panel. So in the control panel, locate and click on the power options. In the power options window you will see a different power plan listed. So identify the power plan that is currently active. So in my case this is balance and click on the change plan settings link next to it. So here you have to click on change advanced power settings. So in the power options dialog box you will see an extensive list of power settings. So expand the wireless adapter settings category to access the power settings for your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so look for the options like power savings mode or in some laptop you will find wireless mode. Okay, and expand this also. In both the cases on battery and plugged in, set them to maximum performance or high performance, whatever you are having in your laptop. So in my cases I have a maximum performance, so I need to select the maximum performance for both the cases. So once you have made the desired changes, click on apply and OK to save the new power settings. So close the power options window. Now we will move to the next step, disable power saving. So for that you need to press Windows plus R on keyboard to open the run box. Here you have to type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Here you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it and select properties. And from here you have to click on configure. Now go to the power management tab. Look for options that says something like allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Okay, so this option may be checked by default. So uncheck the box next to this option to disable power savings for the Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, click OK button to save the changes. Close the device manager also. Let's proceed to the next step. Fat channel intolerant and adjust Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity. So for that you need to press once again Windows plus R on keyboard and here you have to type once again ncpa.cpl and click on OK. So here you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it and click on properties and from here you have to click on configure. And now you have to go to the advanced tab. Under property you will find fat channel intolerant. Beside this you will find value. From the drop down list select enable. Okay, after that look for the settings related to roaming sensitivity or roaming aggressiveness. So not all Wi-Fi adapter have this setting, so if you don't see, your adapter may not support these features, which is not an issue. Okay, so if the roaming sensitivity settings is available, you will typically have the options like lowest, medium, medium low, medium high and highest. The higher the sensitivity level, the more likely your Wi-Fi adapter will switch to the stronger signal, but it may also cause more frequent disconnections. So adjust the roaming sensitivity to your preference. Actually, if you are experiencing frequent disconnection or weak signal issue, try setting it to a higher level. If you are happy with your current connections more aggressively, you can set it to a lower level. So my next step would be the disable background apps. So for that, just click on this Windows icon, start icon, and from here you have to select settings. Once the setting page will open, you will find privacy. Click on this, and in the left side pane you will find background apps. Click on this. So these are the background apps. So toggle off unnecessary apps or programs running in the background that may be using your Wi-Fi bandwidth. If this is on, you can toggle it to off. Next step would be the disable Windows Update Delivery Optimization. For that, once again click on the start menu and go to the settings. Now you have to select update and security, and the left side you will find Windows Update. Click on this, and after that you need to click on advanced options. Scroll down advanced page until you find delivery optimizations. Choose how update are delivered. Okay, so we need to click on here. So under this you will see options label allow download from other PC. By default it is set to PC on my local network or PC on my local network and PC on the internet. Okay, so toggle the switch to off position to disable the features completely, like this. By disabling these features, you can potentially free up network bandwidth and improve your Wi-Fi performance. So now we need to close this window, and let's proceed to the next step, disable metered connection. That means if you disable this meter connection, you allow your Windows laptop to use data freely without any restriction. So for that, once again you have to click on start, then click on settings. Now you have to click on network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi. After that you have to click on advanced options. So now you will find a toggle switch for set as meter connection. Make sure that toggle is switched to the off position, like this. This disable the meter connection settings. Okay, so once this is done, you have to close this window, and my last step would be the optimize DNS settings. So for that, once again you have to click on Windows plus R on keyboard, and you have to type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. From here you have to right click on Wi-Fi and click on properties. After that you have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP. Double click on this. Now what you have to do, you can use reliable DNS servers such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS that improve browsing speed and better network performance. Okay, so if you want to set the Google DNS server, so for that you have to select use the following DNS server address. Okay, and here you have to write 8.8.8.8 and set the alternative DNS servers to 8.8.4.4. Okay, so this is for the Google DNS, and you have to click on OK. So you need to close this. So we have completed all the steps. By following these steps, you can definitely enhance your wireless network performance and enjoy a smoother browsing and streaming experience. So that's it. I hope you found these steps helpful and straightforward to follow. If you have any query, comments or additional tips on Wi-Fi optimization, we would love to hear from you. Please feel free to drop them in the comment sections below. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.